everyone, welcome back here again to my road venture. So today we're heading to one of the best places na pinupuntahan ng mga taga dito. At siyempre tayo na rin yun. Ito ay mga sa 144 something kilometers lang, mga 2 hours and a half riding. Tayo ay hindi tayo nag-take ng expressway para lang makaiwas tayo, kasi kung minsan pag nasa expressway kasi lalo sa ganitong oras na kung minsan mahirap yung pagiging ganitong oras na ay malapit na sa yung oras na rush hour ay medyo maski expressway medyo mabagal na rin yan kung minsan, at pagka nabutan mo yung traffic mas mahirap kaysa dito. Kaya mag-back road na lang tayo. At tayo mga rider, kung minsan mas maganda yung mag-back road na lang para mas less ang sasakyan. Parang kung ganun ay dire-diretso lang tayo. Alright? Guys, malapit na tayo. So ilang kilometers pa, tsaka ilang minuto na lang. So nakabook tayo sa hotel. Diretso tayo ngayon sa lugar na to. Tapos tsaka na lang tayo pupunta dun sa resort. Dito tayo nakabook hindi tayo nakabook dun sa may resort o sa beach mismo, dahil pagka ganito kasi na medyo late ka na, wala nang available. So parang pag-isipan lang namin kaagad, kaya kung anong mayroon na lang na malapit sa area na yan, doon na lang muna tayo. Alright, malapit na tayo guys. Nasa ilang 2 block away na lang tayo. Ibang iba talaga dito guys, kasi makikita natin parang ito yung pinaka downtown nila, pero kita natin wala tayong makitang mga high rise building, maliban lang yung mga hotel lang siguro dito, tsaka wala akong nakitang kataasan na mountains dito. So nakikita natin talaga na out of town. Mukhang ito na nga, siguro nga ito na yung hindi ko kasi matandaan yung pangalan ng hotel na saan tayo nakabook, pero sinusundan ko na lang kung ano itong GPS. So tingnan natin kung ito ngayon o hindi. But I think ito na yun, kasi parang nakita ko sa picture yung palatandaan ko. I'm not sure if this is the one guys. So we're now here by Wyndham. Yeah, it is Super 8.
Saan?
I think, yeah, this is the one. Hold on. Let me just see. It's right there.
Super 8 by Wyndham. Baka ito nga.
Yeah, Super 8 by Wyndham. Let me see.
Ito yun.
Tignan muna natin guys. Nandito na tayo. Ano yan? Saan ba yung confirmation?
address. Ito nga, look. Eh. Super 8 by window. Alright, so nandito na tayo guys.
Ay, nahubog.
Ha? Alin? Ayusin ko lang.
Ay, may $2 na hulog.
Oh wow. Swerte yan ah. Okay yan.
Swerte Lord natin.
May $2 na nahulog.
Kaya ito, jackpot. Mas pa to?
Marami palang ano dito guys.
Ayan o, may mga tindahan, restaurant.
Maraming mga ano dito.
Restaurant.
May siniham pa o ano. O sige, mag-check-in muna tayo tapos ikot tayo dyan mamaya. Dami nating gamit guys. Punong-puno ang ating bike natin. Grabe. Kala mo nakamotor lang tayo pero let's go. Ang check-in natin dapat dito ay alas 3 pa. Pero hindi tayo kaagad nakaalis kanina. So tama lang ang pagdating natin. Di ba? Oh. Oh, this is the thing in here.
Hey guys.
Hey, how are you doing?
So you have booked today and?
Yeah. Today, tonight, and tomorrow. Okay. You need my booking number? No.
What's the name?
It's Milo.
I just need the ID.
ID?
Yeah.
Sure, yeah. You wanna hold this on me? Right here. Huh? Yeah.
Fill all the few parts. So you have to just write the make and model of your
the car.
Oh,
The bike.
Yeah, the
Okay.
bike or of your vehicle.
yeah.
Then whether you have pets or not, and then you have to do your initials over here and your signature.
No pets.
No pets here.
What's this one? There's breakfast in the morning.
Yeah, so we have complimentary breakfast.
What time the breakfast?
It would be 6 to 10.
6 to 10?
Yeah.
Okay.
Make model. Just the make and model, right?
Yeah.
I'll indicate the thing instead, the color.
Okay. And your initials here and here.
Initial one.
Yeah. And here it is asking whether you have pet or no, so it will be
No, yeah. Yeah, no pets.
so.
I won't be able to enjoy my vacation.
So I have a Visa card on the file. It's 0252.
0252.
It's okay if I charge the amount on that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll go ahead with the visa.
The same card.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Okay.
we'll go ahead with that.
How much is it in total?
So for the 2 nights, it's $333.
Yeah, that's what I have. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's fine.
So we had including breakfast.
Yes, it's a complimentary breakfast.
Until what time is the breakfast?
It starts from 6 o'clock to 10 o'clock.
6.
Yeah.
Wow, that's early. Okay.
Yeah.
Anyhow, yeah. Tell 10 o'clock, right?
Yeah, it's till 10.
Alright.
And we also have a gym and a pool.
Oh, you have gym here?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so.
Wow. I think I saw that one. I wasn't really expecting.
Oh, yeah. So
Nice
the gym
place.
is over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Oh,
the pool
nice.
also, and hot tub as well.
What time we can use the gym?
So it's from 5 o'clock to 10:30.
5 o'clock in the
The morning?
evening?
No, morning.
Morning.
Yeah.
5 o'clock till 10:30?
Yeah, and the pool is from 8.
Oh, they have
They
pool.
have pool?
10:30, yeah.
Oh,
Pool is over there.
Perfect. Yeah,
Pool
yes.
at the hotel,
They have
yeah.
pool? And what time is the pool?
It's from 8 o'clock to 10:30.
8 o'clock in the morning?
Morning to 10:30. Yeah.
oh,
Tell-
2 hours only.
10:30
In the morning?
in the evening.
Oh, in the evening?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
What about the gym? Like what time in the evening?
Same, 10:30.
10:30?
Yeah. 5 to 10.
5? Oh, okay, got it. Got it.
10.
Okay. Okay. That's a long day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
I'm so glad to
There's
have
a
it.
swimming pool too.
Yeah, the pool and the hot tub.
Got it. Okay. All right. Thank you. Where's it? Oh,
Tsaka
wow.
may, tsaka may hot tub doon.
Let me see. Where's the swimming pool?
Okay, doon.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Oh, wow. Nice.
Ano, pwede tayo, ano,
I know. Great.
swimming kaya tayo ngayon.
Yeah.
Ah,
Mhm.
kasi dalawang baking sodas. Wow.
No, it's okay. I'm carrying the whole thing. Okay, that's fine.
What's the Wi-Fi?
I have it here.
Oh, you have it there?
Yeah.
It's
It's
in
for.
the car.
Yeah, I have it. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. What's the number?
It's
119.
111.9.
119.
Nandito tayo sa baba.
Huh?
Alright, so we got swimming pool. Mayroon pa tayong gym, guys.
Oh, wow.
So, we can use that. Hindi ako nag-gym lang for a long time. So, tapos mayroon ding swimming pool doon. Maliit nga lang, pero okay na rin yun.
That's fine, Annie. Swimming pool.
Yeah.
I want to swim now.
We're gonna be used though. Yeah, if we're not going anywhere tonight,
So
we can go there.
Just go swim. Huh?
Yeah, 119. 119. Oh, at the end? I think I have to move the bike.
Ilagay mo dito sa nakikita.
Oh, ito.
Patagalan mo.
Oh, see. I got it. Can you pick it up the bag?
Oh, wow. Perfect.
Okay, you go ahead first.
Galing ah.
What's the camera? Ooh, what? Nice.
Mag-swimming ka lang kaya tayo.
Okay, so we have 2 bed. Galing.
Nice.
Ang ganda. I'm happy what we have today.
It's cheap.
Woo, nice and clean. Alright, so this is the room na nakuha natin, guys. Mukha namang maganda.
Maganda mo. Gusto mo.
Tingnan natin yung wash room nila. Okay naman. May malaking mirror. Pwede na yan. Ayos. Right.
Malinis sila.
Malinis. It's clean.
Malinis. Ang ganda.
It's clean. Tsaka dito naman, ay mukha naman tahimik dito. Sigurado kasi nga, away, malayo tayo sa, yun ang tinitignan. Pag malayo sa main road, mayroong commercial, pero malayo naman tayo, so it should be good. Yeah. Diba? Halika, kunin muna natin yung mga ibang gamit. Alright guys, so ngayon ay anong oras na? Alas 7, alas 8 ng gabi. So, late tayo nakarating dito. So, ang ating unang gagawin muna ay mag-swimming tayo ngayon guys. Night swimming. Meron kasing swimming pool dito sa loob. Kaya gamitin na natin since meron. Tapos mayroon pang gym. So, maaaring bukas mag-gym tayo. Alright, let's go. Samahan niyo kami. pala yung tubig dito.